Today's video might be a little bit short because I don't have a lot of stuff to post other than the horses eating and me picking poop and doing the regular stuff. This morning is Mother's Day and my husband and our son Brad are planning to take me to brunch in a little while, and then they're gonna work on a project for me that I've been really wanting to get done. So, which is to clean out our front planter in the front of our house and basically clean it up. We don't spend a lot of time going out the front door, so it kind of gets neglected. And when I do come in and out of the front door, just seeing, you know, the weeds and the dirt and grime drives me a little nutty. So they are going to de-weed it and cut out some of the boxwoods and just try to get it somewhat cleaned up for me as a gift for Mother's Day. So they're going to be busy doing that. I basically am just catching up on things. I had to take a very last minute trip down to my hometown and meet with my father and spend a couple days down there. So it was a very unexpected, unplanned trip, but when I got back, it was such a beautiful reunion with myself and the horses, and just to know that I was missed by them was very nice because they greeted me like one of the herd. They came up to me and they all hugged me. It was I wish I could have had it on video. It was a really beautiful moment and I missed them, and it was so nice to just reunited with them. I hope you all enjoyed this very short video this week, and I'm doing this primarily for my mom, who has always been an avid Little House in the Country watcher. She's always watched my videos, whom she is the one that I started this channel for, so she could see what we were up to and kind of get a feel for, you know, our new lives in the country. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy this week's video. Okay, I better get you clean. Let me get dressed. Okay, let's get back, Victoria. Come. Let's get back. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. One's buckets. There's them, so you want to eat here next to Victoria? Okay, get back. Get back. Come on, get back. Oh, right here. Here, Red Sox. Come on, you gotta give Fiji her bucket. Come here. No. Go eat more food. That is a boggy mess. That, my friends, is a boggy mess out there. Gotta go grab Victoria's fly mask. It's pretty, she's already covered in flies. So some mornings the flies are really bad. Some mornings they're not so bad, but they're already on her and I gotta get busy getting that fly mask on her. If you notice, I've got a lead rope because I have to trick Red Sox every single time that I go out there and put on her fly mask. She was the most feral of the group, if you will. So everything is sometimes trial and error. So got to do what works and just keep going. You know, you can't make this stuff up. Literally out picking up horses' buckets. And what does Victoria do? She steps in her bucket. Come on, girl. Step out. Good girl. Jeez, that could have ended badly. Thanks, Victoria. Nothing like a little adrenaline rush first thing in the morning, right, honeybee? Literally. To keep down on flies, once the horses are done eating, I come over and hose down their buckets because the flies will sit and eat all the leftovers. That's Red Sox looking like a bug with her fly mask. Oh, she doesn't want to show you all her fly mask. Oh, there we go. Yeah. And per usual, we've got Honeybee here, who's always such a good girl, getting her fly mask on. And she wants the 2 or 3 pieces of grain that I have in my pocket. Honeybee, there we go. There we go. Good girl. That's it. That's all I had in my pocket. Good girl. Okay, let's go put BG's fly mask on. Piper, what are you doing out here, girl? These two are always the first to walk off together, and they usually take a mid-morning nap, and then I try to keep Victoria in the dry lot that we have, which eventually we will get a complete dry lot for her built up. Beachy girl, don't you want your fly mask? Huh? Don't you want your fly mask? Keep the flies off those pretty big eyes of yours. Come on, girl. Oh, here's Victoria. She says, what? You have grain in your pocket? How dare you not offer it to me? See, I've got these 2 little pieces and they can smell it. I want to say better than dogs can smell. So sometimes I get mugged when I come out to the field if I have a piece of grain in my pocket. Isn't that right, Victoria? See? Oh my gosh. It's like the sweetest treat ever. Don't worry. 4 little pieces of grain won't hurt her. And see, she's been rubbing her fly mask. These fly masks just are not built to last. So constantly keep going back and forth with fly masks. And flies have been utterly brutal. Flies have been a really big deal on the farm. We have tried almost everything. We tried this bag of granules that we added to their feed to deter flies from landing on their poop and regenerating their population. I've tried fly predators in a combination with the bag of pellets to add to their stuff. And most recently, I came across some peppermint essential oil that I had in the house. And I put a little bit on some gloves and I lightly put it around Victoria. And that really helps, but you have to reapply it multiple times a day so that way the flies stay basically away from her face. So she completely gets covered in flies. But I have really been at odds with the flies, and we're gonna have electric run out to the run-in shed that the horses all stand under so we can have fans put out here for them. And of course, we're gonna be turning on the misters soon when it gets super duper hot. So fly management is a big deal, and it poured rain yesterday and the ground is all soggy wet, and I have to get this all scooped out because flies will, you know, regenerate in that soggy mess. So those are the little things that you don't think about when you think about the dream. So it's starting to get a little muggy out. We have rain coming and we've been keeping the barn open just as like an extra place for them to go. And of course, maybe I should put shavings back down because they keep coming in here and pooping without shavings. I'm gonna clean this back out and leave it open. I know sometimes I want to kick my own butt because I make more work for myself, but you know, we have the run-in shed. It's supposed to rain all day, and this is another place for them to come. And I'll be turning the fans on here momentarily just to keep down on the flies. So since we took all the shavings out of here, the fly population obviously in here has like died essentially, minus the poop on the ground. So that has been very beneficial. I don't know if maybe that was what was making the flies so horrendous, the shavings with the pee in it, but we're looking forward to closing this barn up for the season, and we are getting ready to create a cool spot right here to hang all of their halters and fly masks and lead ropes, so that way it looks nice and organized, because right now we never had anything officially set up. We've just been hanging this stuff on random nails. Do you want to tell everybody what you're going to be doing to the front planter?
No, you'll have to wait till next week.